Hey guys, happy Saturday. How are you doing? I hope you can see me okay. I am again driving someone else's car, and it's hard for me to hold this phone and drive this big body car because it's a Lincoln Navigator. So this is a big body car to be holding with one hand and then trying to hold this phone. But anywho, happy Saturday to you.
He's preparing his house.
God's blessings to you on today. I like that house. Talia and I are out looking at houses. That looks really good. And I just wanted to vlog a little bit of the houses that we're looking at. These are the type of houses that I like. They are not new construction, but they are more traditional. But I really, really like the size and the scale of them. I like the neighborhood. I do like more contemporary houses, as I've told you before. And really, what I'm doing today is just showing Talia what manifestation is. I want to be an example of her, for her. And I'm just trying to teach her that even though right now, we might not be in a position to buy, but things can turn quickly. Things can change quickly because that's the type of God that we serve. And so I just wanted to wish you guys a happy Saturday. We just left Dairy Queen, going to get something to eat. We're just hanging out with each other and enjoying each other's company. Yesterday, we went skating. I took her skating, her and her brothers and her mom. And so we went skating. That was a fun vibe. You know, we really had a good time. And then now we're out looking at houses because, again, I'm in a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. And the house that I'm in is a rental. And it's a really nice subdivision. I really like it. But, you know, for the amount of money that I'm paying, I know that I could be, you know, buying a home. And I'm still trying to figure out whether I'm going to buy that home out in a different state or the current state that I'm in, because I really am over the cold. I've been here 40 plus years where I currently live. And I'm just over the bitter cold winters. We've got some pretty bad weather even in March. So yeah, it gets pretty cold here where I'm at. We get the ice, the snow, and all of that. And so I just want to live somewhere where I can be near the beach. I can take Talia up to the beach, you know, or I can drive up to the, you know, show her the mountains. And just, you know, I just want somewhere where there's a lot of things to do. So I'm going to show you some houses over here, guys. I'm still trying to decide because Talia, again, they built a brand new school last year for her middle school, and it's really, really nice. And I want her to have the best of the best. I'm going to turn the camera around while I still talk. I want her to have the best of the best. This thing is in the way. Let the window down, Leah. I want her to have the best of the best. However, you know, I'm sure there'll be nice schools in other areas, you know, out of town. But this one is a brand new spanking.
Oh my goodness! Hey, look at that.
I like that one because it's really contemporary, right?
Yeah.
So we like this house right here, me and Talia, because it's very, very contemporary compared to the other houses. It's really contemporary. And so we do like that. As you can hear her in the background saying, oh my goodness. But yeah, I like this one too right here. But it's a small scale compared to what I really want. I like the atrium though, and I like the light color wood on that, so I do think that that is cute. Most of them are like this, as you can see. Most of them are like this. Look at this little boy right here. This is a really nice house. He looks mixed. Oh, this is for sale right here. This house right here is for sale, guys. I wonder how much they're wanting for this one. Compared to the other houses, like, I'm really looking for something on a more grander scale than that. Like this house right here on the end. Well, the back of it anyway. I haven't seen the front part. They're building here. They're still building in this area. This one is a house that they're building.
You want to look inside of one?
If we can. I like this one right here. Okay. I like this one on the end. I just don't like the color. But I like let your thing up right here. Excuse me. Let this up. I like the grandness of it with the rock. I like the atrium. I like the wood on the... That's really cute, guys. I like the wood that's on the garage over here. Now I really like this house, but it's just the color scheme that I don't like. I like this house right here. Oh, this is so cute to me. Now this will be one of my favorite ones because it's like more contemporary. How nice. I love that. Talia, you see what I'm seeing? Kind of mixed over here. I also like this one because it's kind of contemporary, guys, but not more than the one that I just showed you. Oh, this is an open house. Leah, we're about to go in this open house.
I think we went in this one already. I don't know. I don't remember. Yeah, we haven't.
I don't think so. But it's a lot of cars over here. We're about to go in this open house. This one is cute. It's more contemporary. Kind of plain. I'll have to do some more stuff with it. But we're about to go in this open house, guys. Just manifestation. If I was going to continue to stay here in this city and state, it would definitely be this area. It would definitely be buying. I would be trying to definitely buy a house over here. And I'm thinking these houses are probably anywhere from $350,000 and up. I don't think that these houses are gonna be no $200 and some thousand. Look, guys, there's somebody they got a TV in their garage.
Wow.
Probably can't see it. Probably their man cave. So they're probably where they go to watch the game and stuff.
My Papa sure needs one.
Not where I'm at, where I'm going. This is the house that we're going to see. This light brown one with the sign, the light cream one and beige, and I really like it. It's so contemporary. So I'm going to pause you for a second while I walk over here, and then I'll pick back up. I absolutely love this house, guys. I love the brown. They go to your school?
No.
In contrast to the white.
That's Caroline.
I love.
Or is that Zelda? I can't tell. It's someone.
I love the light fixtures. I love everything about this house. Building a new house down there.
Is it open? Let me go see the opening hours.
The lock is off, Leah. It should be.
I don't know. Push.
Hi. We gotta have our shoes off.
Shoes or booties, either one.
Okay.
I don't know.
Take your shoes off, Leah.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it.
It's beautiful. Close the door. This is the dining room. This is when you come into it. I love this. I'm in love with it.
I need to put this in your
No, just put it in your pocket.
It's making too much noise.
I like the white wood.
I love the light wood too. Yeah, I like the light wood too. The light wood on the stairs and the light wood floors.
I love it in here. It's beautiful.
It's nice. Beautiful. Look at the light fixtures. How you doing? I love the black hutch over there.
The fridge is kind of fun. It has one of those screens that.
Is this?
That's cool.
And if you don't mind signing in, the sellers ask that anybody coming in to their home just signs in so they know. They're also easy breezy to take care of.
Hold on, baby.
Thank you so much. No problem. Nice to meet you.
Elegant. It's not elegant. It's beautiful.
Does it have what they're asking for on the paperwork?
6:30.
Okay.
Yes, everything's right here.
Okay.
Do you want some water or a snack?
No, thank you. We just ate.
Did you go anywhere good?
Dairy Queen. We wanted.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong there.
It's getting warm, so she wanted a sundae.
Yeah. You know, it's ice cream weather. My kids are the same way. What grade are you in?
I'm 5th.
Okay, you're tall. That's amazing.
Can I have one of those too? The sheets. I love the brown on the outside in contrast with the white. It's really nice.
And are you, I'm not sure if you're working with anybody, but I always tell people
Okay.
if you have any questions, either contact your agent or me.
Okay.
Because if you want to negotiate, you know, you don't want to directly negotiate.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
You know, literally, go to the bathroom.
Thank you all.
Thank you. I love this porch, Leah. Did you see this?
Yeah.
I love it.
Saw the porch.
I love it.
I will secretly live here for the rest of my life.
Oh, it's got a trampoline out there. I love it. This is the outside.
And I'm not promising that I will not go out there and jump on that trampoline.
Not right now. You can't do that. You can't do that, Leah.
I love this.
I love the
I love
the pictures.
The table.
Remember when I told you that I was done with gold, but it looks nice with this blue.
Now go to the bathroom.
Okay.
And then they got this part right here. Come here. They got this.
Oh, I love the bathroom.
They got this.
That's what you call it. What is this called again? I forgot.
A cubby?
No. Oh, I love the blue. Oh my gosh. I love the blue walls.
The door's cute. And I think it's called the
mudroom space.
The mud room. I could not think of that for nothing. I knew what it was, but I couldn't think of
I
it.
was coming over hoping I'd remember it.
I love the navy blue on the walls. It really stands out.
A lot of people do dark bathrooms.
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the card, Leah. Here, get it for me. Sorry, I was telling her to get it. Thank you.
And this is like the what?
It's just a hall closet. Just a,
Yeah.
You can hang coats or...
yeah. I'm gonna set this right here until I come back down. Come on, Liz, go upstairs.
You should have saw the pantry.
Let me see.
They got talking.
Let me see. Open it for me.
It's right here. It's like I like it because it's glass.
Oh, okay. Okay. Come on. Let's go upstairs. I'm loving that navy bathroom.
Hey, go downstairs first.
No,
Down the stairs.
I probably won't go downstairs.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Is it a finished basement?
There is, yes. And
Okay.
there's a full bedroom down there.
Oh, wow. Okay, well.
4 bedrooms up, 1 down.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay downstairs and.
Stay up here with me. Stop. Love the mirror.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna check this. Yeah.
Oh, this is so cute. I'm coming. Just a second.
Don't leave.
Oh, wow. Leah. So somebody lives here, but they're selling their house.
Yeah. This is so cute.
One of the bedrooms. That's why I want to get you a full-size bed. This is so nice. So somebody is living here, guys. So they're doing an open house. But we're just, I guess they're selling their home. So Leah, this bed will be cute for you. See, this is what I want. I want a bigger TV in my room.
I love the bed.
And I was thinking that TV was too big for my room, but it's not.
Yeah.
Look, this will be so cute for your room.
Nana, come here.
I like that bed in there better. Oh, it's cute. This is some little girl's room.
And I'm that little girl.
I
I
like
also like how spacious the closet is. Like, I can actually fit more stuff in here.
Yeah. Oh, I love how they
Oh,
got.
she has a lava lamp.
Look, I could get you a bigger. Close the door.
I like everything in here. It's so slay.
Washer and dryer room.
This is cute.
So nice.
Literally.
Oh, I love the master. That's a big old. This is a big old nice master bedroom.
Come in the closet.
That's a king. Hold on. This is a king bed.
Fancy. You can go to the closet.
Oh, Leah, look at that picture.
I love the picture.
But I think I've seen that.
Curtains, too.
But I think I've seen that at Ross. Look at the big TVs in here. So Leah, cut it out. Oh my goodness, I love this bathroom. This would be my dream house. This is the kind of house I want to raise my granddaughter and my.
Shower right here, the tub, and
I
the
love the
bathroom in this
way
one.
this tub is made. Look, guys. I mean, this would be my dream. This would really.
And the closet is so spacious.
This would really be my dream. Say hi.
Hi guys.
This would be my dream. bathroom. I love the
You're
floors.
gonna love the closet one.
I love that the shower is separate over here by itself.
Yeah.
And I love that the bathroom is all the way over here by itself. All the way by itself.
Those blogs. They have a blog sheet. And look at this closet.
Look at this closet space, guys. Wow. Wow. I've never had anything like this, guys. And this will be a dream come true for me and for Talia.
Yeah, I'll take this closet. And then look at the drawers. It's built in.
I like the built-in drawers, yeah.
Now you know where I want to go?
Okay, let's go, Leah.
I
See,
want to live here.
this is the laundry room.
I really like the floor of the laundry room. It's so spacious.
Look at all the tennis shoes they got. They got money. Come on, let's go. Let's go downstairs.
Yeah, you should actually say it out loud. Girlie. It's not giving. Wait.
We're gonna go downstairs. I love everything about it. I don't think there's anything that I don't love.
It's giving mansion vibes.
Definitely is. But not mansion price.
Yeah.
Not quite a mansion, Talia.
It's giving.
Oh, this is nice. It's so nice for you and your brothers to come down here and play.
PS5.
You want a PS5?
Yes.
Why? So then you can be on it every day?
Oh no, this is cute. And then because like it's hidden. It's like hidden.
This is nice, guys. A nice finished basement with a game area over here.
They have a tornado shelter. They have one of those tornado thingy bobs.
Cool.
I put like a TV in there and like some kind of car thing.
Oh wow, it has a whole nother bedroom down here.
Ooh.
Look at the silver lid. Did you like the silver?
I love it.
This would be pretty for your
They got a
room.
pink PS5. When was that a thing?
This probably for a teenager's room. This room is dope. They got all big
Hey, look at
screen
the
TVs
mirror.
in here. Like
Look at the mirror.
these got to be like 55-inch.
This is cute.
Look at the mirror over there.
This is cute.
I think I'm gonna switch your colors up to silver. I'll get you something like this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cause then you can still do pink and silver.
And then the closet is.
Lil, we got that picture at home in the bathroom.
They got a Gucci shirt.
Look. No, that one over there. We got that one.
Yeah. They got a little Gucci shirt.
This is really nice.
Why?
This is in the basement, guys.
So cool.
I love the dresser for you. I would love to get you this dresser.
I
It
wonder where
does.
they got this from.
But I think I would like to get you another one over here on the side. How cute. Oh yeah, they got money. Whoever lives here is selling their house. And it's fully furnished.
It's beautiful.
I got a pink
love
PS5.
Seriously, got everything in here.
Oh wow.
Not gonna lie. I'll buy it.
Bathroom is nice. I like the gold and the black.
That is cute.
Love the shower.
I think they're gonna be doing more to their bathroom or something because they got this one.
Let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and walk out. I have enjoyed this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. This is how I want to live. This is what I want to be able to provide for Talia and myself, and this is what I'm believing God for. They want 600 and some thousand for this. Leah, leave that stuff alone. Okay, I will pick back up, guys, in a minute.